When I treat the fuel, I look up the size of the tank in the ski and I treat the fuel to full capacity. In order to treat the engine with antifreeze, you need to pinch off the water inlet hose coming from the back of the pump to prevent it from draining off onto the ride plate. For this step, you need to find a funnel that fits tightly into the flush fitting or find a funnel that fits snug in the flush fitting. For this step, I've removed the spark plugs and the fogging cap to be able to fog the cylinders and the carburetors at the same time. On top of that, I also removed the plug wires, put them outside the ski, so when I get ready to start the ski, it won't start a fire or ignite any fuel vapors in the area. Next, you need to hold the throttle wide open, turn the engine over to distribute fogging oil, coolant, and stabilize fuel with the plug wires outside the engine bay to prevent fire. Remove the battery so you can keep it charged in the off season and treat the battery terminals with Vaseline. Spray the whole engine bay down with silicone spray, being sure to get all of the engine components and anything that looks chalky, dry, or slightly corroded. Any areas you may have gotten too much silicone spray on, just rub it in and give it a nice even coating. Don't forget to remove the hose pinchers from the coolant treatment.